So again, welcome to 3 Paper Planes. If you want to make this paper airplane, visit TriKdanG channel. Great paper airplane for looping. Always loops. Let me throw it up to the skies first to see how it flies, okay? Very good stunt plane. Now let me throw it down to the ground. Let me pick it up. Okay, hold this right here and just throw it at -5 degrees. Just fly up. So you will never be able to beat this plane unless you throw it straight down to the ground. Otherwise, it will fly anyways. Good plane for beginners. Hold right here and throw it straight. It does a loop, awesome loop, and fly far. Let me pick it up again. Hold it up like this and throw it up to the skies. Check it out. Oh, it's fly backward. Check it out. Pretty cool. Pick the paper airplane and throw it again. What's right here? And throw it straight. It tends to turn. So let me throw it to the skies to see how this new awesome paper airplane flies, okay? It does loop. Awesome. So check it again.